FairyFly is part of Ladybug Tools, which uses THERM as the simulation engine to simulate thermal bridges, condensation risks, etc. THERM is developed by the Lawrence Berkeley National Lab, so let's download it from their website. Scroll down to find the available versions. The current version of FairyFly is compatible with THERM 8.1.30. Always check the compatibility matrix before you install. You are advised to install the only version specified in the matrix, not the higher versions or the lower versions. Click on the Version tab and scroll down. Click on the THERM 8.1.30 setup full. Now the exe file is downloading. Then click on the Redistributable Libraries link. Scroll down and click on the link to the Microsoft webpage. Click on the link next to x86. Now the library file is downloading. You should have these two files when the downloads finish. Let's double-click on the THERM file to start the installation. Click Yes to the Windows warning pop-up window. Click Next, accept the license agreement, and click Next. Click OK. Click Install. And click Finish. Next, double-click on the VC library file. Agree to the license terms and install. Click Yes to the Windows warning pop-up window. After you finish installing, restart your computer. To verify the installation, on the menu bar, search THERM, click on THERM 8.1. If the THERM software launches, you are ready to work in FairyFly.